This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
Ever wonder why some of the most advanced medical treatments cost a fortune? It's not just the research, it's the manufacturing. Right now, a lot of these next-gen therapies are being made by hand, one at a time, by highly trained scientists in clean rooms. But there's a huge problem. There aren't enough scientists on Earth to make these treatments for everyone who needs them. We're talking about a massive human bottleneck in medicine. That's where Multiply Labs comes in. I've been looking into their work, and it's honestly like something out of a sci-fi movie that's actually happening right now. They've built what they call robotic factories. Think of it as a miniature, high-tech city where robotic arms are the only residents. These arms move medical therapies from one module to the next, doing the delicate work that used to take a human hours, but they do it at scale, 24/7, and way more affordably. But here's the really cool part. How do you teach a robot to handle life-saving medicine as carefully as a PhD scientist? You can't just code that in a day. Instead, these robots are watching humans. They use something called imitation learning. Basically, they watch video demonstrations of scientists working and then try to copy those exact movements. And they don't just practice in the real world. They use NVIDIA's Isaac Sim to live 1,000 lives in a digital twin before they ever touch a real vial. They run these simulations over and over, debugging every tiny mistake in a virtual world where nothing is at stake. By the time the robot arm moves in real life, it's already practiced that move thousands of times. 3 or 4 years ago, there wasn't even a foundation model for robotics. Now, with NVIDIA's GR00T and Isaac Sim, these machines are learning at a pace that's honestly hard to wrap your head around. The CEO of Multiply Labs, Fred Parietti, says this used to be science fiction, but now, it's just how we're going to save millions of lives. We're moving from a world where advanced medicine is a luxury to a world where it's accessible to everyone, thanks to automation. It's a massive shift in how we think about healthcare. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on how AI and robotics are actually changing the real world, not just the digital one, hit that subscribe button and join the AIX community. We're tracking these breakthroughs every single day. See you in the next one.